Hey guys, thank you for stopping by. This is a Canon MF4770 printer. In this video, I want to show you how to access the main board, the power board, and the fax card. They're all located on this side of the printer. If we flip it around, it's right behind this plastic panel right here. We have the power supply connection. That's how we know all these are here. So we have the power supply connection right here, the fax connections over here, and then we've got the network and the USB connection to the main board. Let me show you how to do that. The only thing I ask is if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we're gonna get right to it. First thing, let's go ahead and make sure our printer is unplugged, and let's remove the toner, because at one point we're going to need to put the printer on this side, and we wouldn't want any toner to spill inside of your printer. In the back of the printer, you'll find a screw. Phillips head screwdriver is what you'll need for this. The screw is right here. We need to remove that first. On the back of this panel right here, you will see two arrows, one right here and another right there. Put a flathead screwdriver and kind of twist it. Same thing here. There we go. That unclips this back side of the panel. Open the top cover and you will see two markers right there. Just gonna go ahead and push that back, just like so. And you can see that it kind of is pushed back already. Now let's put the printer on its side. And just kind of lift the top of the panel. You will see more arrows right here. There's one right there. You can just put a flathead screwdriver there. Lift it like that. And there we go. So we remove the side panel. Now we can put the printer back on its proper position. These are the boards that we're trying to access. Right here is our main board of the printer. To remove the board, we can just go ahead and disconnect the wires. And there's one more screw right here. And this is our main board for MF4770n printer. You can find the part number right there. It's FK33540. More part numbers on this sticker right here, FMC 3949. To remove the fax card, just disconnect it right here. And the three screws remove our fax card. Now to get access to the main, to the power board, it's located behind these panels. We can just remove a few screws. And this is the power supply board right here. So this is where the fuser is connected. More connections here, here. And to replace it, you'll just need to remove some screws. So let's go ahead and put it back. Make sure you put it under this plastic and then slide it to the left. So it fits in here perfectly into this opening for the network connection. And then it'll land properly and flat to where it belongs. And attach this. And now the rest of the screws for the main board. Let's reconnect all the wires. Make sure everything is connected. You can at this point check to make sure that you have everything connected by plugging the cord in to the wall and into the back of the printer. It's not recommended because of the safety, but since this is all exposed, but before you put the plastic cover back on, that's something that you can do just so you don't have to take it off again. To put the cover back on, go ahead and open the top of the printer, position the cover in the proper way. You need to slide the panel forward and clip it into here, kind of like to the front of the printer. And after that, you can just go ahead and snap it back in. So the panel just snaps back in. And you know it's good when you see everything is flush here. Make sure there isn't any wires in the way. When you close the top cover, you can see that it's flush with your printer. Going to the back of the printer, it's all good over here. And then we need to just put the screw back. Go ahead and plug the power supply in. And the printer is working just fine. So that's how you do it. I wish you good luck on your repair and maintenance projects on your printer. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and have yourself a great day.